are they all green?
Oh, the reason. Do you know, Seven? Why are they green?
Oh, are they for the Santa Patrick's Day?
Bingo! Yes, and all the packages are in green, and we also have some green things here, here, and here.
Yeah. So for one day, everyone is Irish and everything is green.
Yeah, that's correct. So today we are going to shoot this, and I want to light all the fuse. So shall we go and light together?
Sounds
Of course.
fun.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Okay, right now we have arrived at the top of the mountain, the public shooting place. 5 of us, 5 girls, we will shoot these items and light the fuse together. So let's go!
Yay!